In today's episode, I'm back with another simple kitchen hack that will save you lots and lots of time in your kitchen. We're going to be preparing some ginger and garlic paste, and with me here I have my three ingredients. You'll need some garlic, I have some ginger, and you'll need some cooking oil. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start off by slicing my pieces of garlic, and these are three garlics. You can definitely make a huge batch, but I just want one which will take me for December. So I'm just slicing them into smaller pieces so that my blender can have an easy time. So that should be okay. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to chop my ginger too into smaller pieces. So you can also decide to peel your ginger, but I'm not going to do so because I just like it like that. This is it, and then we are going to proceed to blend it. I'll add it in my jug. To facilitate the blending process, I'm going to go in with some cooking oil. So you can add as much cooking oil as you may need, and it's also going to act as a preservative. Then I'm going to blend this till everything is smooth enough. So finally we are done, and you can see this is what we have from just 3 garlics and ginger 10. So how to preserve them? If you do not have a refrigerator, you just add some cooking oil just to cover the top, and this should be good to go on your countertop. Just make sure when you chot up, you scoop using a clean spoon and do not double dip. Then once the cooking oil at the top is over, you just add another layer. I'm also going to add another one here. But if at all you have a refrigerator, this should be good to go up to 3 months. You also do not need the thin layer of cooking oil. And every time you want to cook, you can just be scooping a spoon kidogo kidogo hadi ishe. And that's how you're going to save very many minutes in your kitchen space. Na kila siku sio kunukisha vidole ginger na garlic. That's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Try out this hack, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.